goes the fire crew.
I swear I was a lot good on sign and stuff.
Yeah, he was doing that for like the past 2. We're still out of power here. The lights aren't working. There's a guy snow blowing. That's why he's taking forever. I feel bad for the people that live here for the snow on the side. Police officer. Are they open? I don't know if they can be open because they don't have any electricity.
You get on there, the wire's down.
Oh, Dad, you're getting pelted by... Oh, shizzle! You're getting pelted by ice balls in the trees. The heck with this all! That guy looks like he's snowed in.
Gary's music
Does Gary still own that?
I would imagine. More than one person working. I used to be in Holyoke. Food was all that. Back there where the Ponderosa used to be. Used to be a restaurant there.
Wow, this is just amazing.
Used to be the Ponderosa Steakhouse.
All this destruction.
Guy's shed fell down. His garage fell.
Oh, that stinks.
This guy's not working.
Trying to get his truck started. And out.
This well's covered with snow. His apartment's covered. He doesn't have water.
I guess.
Well, he had some trees that went up there.
Jeez, it's the high school.
What they sign say, all activities canceled because of snow.
What is he doing? Drain's overflowing. Oh, shit.
So why is he blocking the road?
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Waterway.
Water line!
Water pipes broken.
Holy crap!
That's what they're, that's why the water department's over there.
The water line! Oh my gosh!
It's a hell of a time for the water line to go. Somebody must have hit it with the plow.
How can they hit it underground?
They hit the curb, the valve, curb stop valve or something, I think. You know, they put the valve in the ground.
Yeah, it's all coming up from the ground. I thought the drain was, but no, holy crap. Someone doesn't, no, that's... Holy crap.
Well, it probably hit the curb stop. It was up too high or something. They hit it and broke the water pipe. So what happened to my house? They used to plow in front of my house and they broke the water pipe.
Man, that must stink.
That's why they don't plow on our side of the street anymore. 'Cause they broke
Does that mean we have no water?
2 or 3 water pipes. I don't know. It's hard to say. We gotta fix the leaking line and turn the water on. Then we can have water.
Tree. Look at that.
Is 7-Eleven open?
No.
Fire's there. We ain't getting coffee, is it?
I was out here still. But we were driving through this last night where it was all dark and creepy. That's creepy.
There.
Is Friendly's open? I know there's cars, but still, I don't know. Come be lunch comes. They're not open. Wow, see you again, yeah.
We gotta go somewhere and buy matches. Get money at the ATM machine.
I bet you the bank's on lockdown right now.
Yeah, people tried pulled into the.
They look like it. People going in and out. People are buying stuff. The big way's open. I'm assuming they got generators. Lots of them.
Alright.
There's a sign on the door though. Pull up by the sign.
Apologize. Some refrigeration issue. We apologize for any inconvenience. This has caused us to currently not able to sell perishable items. Thank you for your cooperation.
Oh. You can buy everything that's non-perishable because the freezers are not working. Want to go inside and see what they got?
No.
Okay. But they got matches though. They sell them. Lighters.